Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. In this video, we are going to see how can we tell the clock time. We need to use two Chinese characters, 点, 分. 点, kind of like o'clock in English. 分 is minute. Minute as clock time. If you want to say 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's one is 分钟 as vocabulary. Minute as vocabulary. 分钟. But when we indicate a clock time, we only need to say 分. 6点45分. And generally, this 分 can be omitted. We can just say 6点45. 12点半. 半 itself means half. 一刻 a quarter. 10点一刻. In Chinese, we generally only have 一刻, 1 quarter. We wouldn't say 2 quarters, 3 quarters. 1点05分. In this situation, we have to read this 0. We can't say 1点5分. We need to read 0, 1点05分. And I mentioned before, 分 generally can be omitted. Only one situation we can't omit the 分, which is when the minute is 10. 11点10分. We wouldn't say 11点10. Last situation is a special one. When the number 2 used as the clock time, as the hour, then we need to change 2 to 2. The only can be read as 2. 2点22分. But when the number 2 as minutes, we still read as 2. Then AM, PM. From 5 a.m. until the noon time, 12. This is morning for us. 早上. And you also can say 上午. For the noon time, 1 hour. 中午 noon, 中午. Afternoon time, 1 p.m. until 7 p.m. we say 下午 afternoon. After 7 p.m. until 12, the night time, 12. This is evening time for us. We say 晚上, 晚上. From nighttime 12 until next morning, this is 凌晨, 凌晨. And we also can say 半夜. 半 we mentioned before means half. So half night. 夜 also means night. Half night. Okay, let's check them out in the dialogue. 现在几点? 现在早上10点一刻. 现在几点? 现在下午2点02分. 现在几点? 现在晚上11点10分. 现在几点? 现在半夜1点半. Okay, this is all of today's content. In next video, we are mentioned how to say date and day of the week in Chinese. Okay, I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye.